Hello everyone, Jerry from the Fishing Museum and Cultural Center out on this amazing November day here in Michigan. I might be jumping the gun a little bit, but I've got my vintage fishing tackle and equipment, and while it might not be complete, and while the original plan was to do stuff like this after the winter season, I simply could not avoid the opportunity to take this out on this wonderful day and see if we can catch a few fish on our antique fishing tackle. Let's find out. I have never been to this location before, and it is beautiful. It's the Rogue River Park over here in Kent County, Michigan. And looking at the time of the year and the regulations for Michigan, it is trout season, or trout breeding season, so some of the smaller tributary streams are off limits, but not the Rogue River. And so I'm making my way through the trails here to make it to the riverside, see if we can catch ourselves. I'm not fishing for anything in particular. I don't think I have enough tackle of any variety to go for anything in particular yet. It's one of the reasons why we were originally waiting until the seasons change. But we'll throw a few lines in and we'll see what we can get. All right, we made it. It's a beautiful little opening here. I don't know how well I'm going to get a line through there, but give it a shot. I think I'm going to give a shot with my 3-piece vintage bamboo line, a rod, before trying the casting reel. It's a vintage cork float with a hook and a weight. Simple enough. Well, I'm not going to claim to be the best at bamboo pole fishing, but I'm going to give it a good old college try. We've got a chunk of cubed or diced ham. See how them fish like that. I have my float set fairly short because this is a shallow creek. Okay, you got a hand line out there. And I've got something nibbling at me. I don't know if it's a fish or if it's the current I'm feeling, but I definitely, you can see my bobber under the water. That's because I put a weight on there and I misjudged the depth. All right, so I had my casting lure out there, and it just with a weight, nothing, and reeled it up after a while, and look at this. Ow, ow, ow. Let me go. Please, there we go. Look at this cool guy. Name him One Claw. All right, back in the water you go. Well guys, even though it was a fun visit, the Rogue River is beautiful, lovely to get out here this late in the year. We weren't very successful aside from that crayfish and a few little bites later on, but I had a blast. And if you guys are interested in this, please follow the Fishing Museum and Cultural Center and join the Michigan Historical Fishing Community Facebook group too. We'll be having some classes, we'll be doing tons more exhibits and excursions based on historical fishing artifacts. Take care.